literature, and it would be good to, yes. Thank you very much, technical team.
I have been seeing some skirmishes between Nema and people who are in the wetlands. My advice to the people in the wetlands, they should all live peacefully. I have been seeing people commenting, but where was Nema when these people built buildings? Why did they not stop them? But why should Nema be the one to stop these people? Don't you have eyes to see a swamp? You yourself. We don't need Nema. Who doesn't know what a swamp is? Ekshara, if you don't know it, I can tell you in Runyankore. Ekshara, Echifunjo, this is all your words. These are not French words. Ekshara, Echifunjo. Ekshara means the swamp. Echifunjo means the papyrus swamp. There's no normal person who could be in the swamp. Swamp is for a nsonzi. Are you a nsonzi? Mud fish. Mud fish are the ones who stay in the swamp. There's no normal person who could be in the swamp. Swamp is for a nsonzi. Are you a nsonzi? Mud fish. Mud fish are the ones who stay in the swamp. Now, when you hear these people claiming, yo, this one, they have been there for a long time, how? I fought in the Railroad Triangle. I know every swamp there. I fought at the Lubiji when I was capturing Kampala. There was nobody in the swamp. Nobody in these swamps. The ones of Kiroro, Wakasanke, all those swamps, there was nobody. All these people are people who have gone there knowingly and in spite of many, but because of the collusion of the local leaders. So what I will task Nema to explain to me is why they have never held accountable the parish chief, the Gombora chief, the GISO. What is GISO doing? Then those grasses filtered it away. And it doesn't continue. Now, if you lose the wetlands, all of that area will bring all the soil and put it in the lake here, or Lake Kyoga. And in some years to come, the lake will no longer be there. It will sit up, become, because the water, the area, will be transferring the soil from land to water, without a filter. How can we be so blind? So, even if Nema is lazy and they don't do their work, there is no way you can say, because they didn't do their work, Katufe, let us die. Even if they didn't do their work or they did it badly, but now we are here, first of all, you yourself, you are not a madman. They should take you to Rutabika. How did you come to stay in a wetland? Didn't you have eyes? You yourself. Gwetuwali na maso. Obatolina buvunaanyizibwa. Wajja otya mu Ntobazzi. How did you come in the wetland? And yet you knew it was, because there are signs everywhere of what a wetland is. So I think my appeal to the people in the wetlands, please, I don't want the Baserikere to be Bakambwe. They should give time to say, please go, and the people go by themselves. And I've seen that some people are willing to go from Nabweru. I saw it on the TV, that some of the people on their own. Because this is a matter of life and death for this part of the world. Rain, water for irrigation, the wetland resources, and okujejana to filter, our natural filter. If you come to my farms in Chisos, you will see the very blue water in River Chibimba, in River Katonga, very blue water, water which is very blue, because it is not territory, it has no soil in it, because we don't interfere with the wetlands, we protect them. But if you go to the Kajala River, it is all brown because of the soil coming from some of our neighbors whom we need to talk with, and we see how we can save Lake Victoria, because the soil in the Kajala River will silt up Lake Victoria here. So we need to discuss with our brothers in Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania, to protect the catchment area in their countries, so that the Kajera is not a soil washer. In the Ankole area, some of the fellows have been trying to destroy River Lubiji. Where are those fellows from Ankole? You come and Muve Mushango go Lubiji. Orko and Mushango no. Abantu Ampara ni gabai. Abakuchela kushusha Lubiji ni gabai. Ajelo ja wa Mushango go Lubiji. They are destroying the River Lubiji.